Hi guys, so unbox with me this newly bought bag from Nuprene. So I got it on sale. It's a really good deal. So yeah, this is the box. So it's really nice. This bag. So I'm just going to show you the bag. So apparently my outfit does not match the bag like at this moment because I'm on a workout clothes, but I'm just never show. It's really good. So I like it. This is color white, or I think off white. I bought two, but my mom wants the pink one that I bought. So yeah, so this is the inside. So I really want to have like a bag that looks like a luggage. I wish I can have the one not in matte, the shiny one, because I love jellies. So that's the details. So if you're going to, so sana nakikita niyo ako because I match the background. So it does not match my gym outfit, but pwede na din. Okay, so try naman natin pag sleeve bag. Diba? Perfect. Ayan. Pag malapit, pwede. Ayan. So this is the bag. But I prefer it like short handled so that it's classy look. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.